Today, I want to show you how to use the stick to stretch your shoulder. For these exercises, you can use a cane, a broomstick, a mop, or even an umbrella. For the first exercise, lie down on your back. Start by holding the stick at the level of your hips. From here, bring the stick over your head as far as you can. After you feel that your shoulder has stretched to its end range, come back to the starting position. Repeat this movement for up to 10 repetitions. If you want a more intense stretch, hold the stretch at the end of the range for up to 30 seconds before you bring the stick back to starting position. For the second exercise, start in the seated position with a cushion under your arm. Bend your elbow to 90 degrees. Hold the stick with both hands. If you are stretching your right shoulder, use your left hand to push the stick toward your right. Go as far as you could tolerate without extending your elbow and come back to the starting position. Repeat this movement for up to 10 repetitions. You could also do the same exercise lying down on your back. For the third and last exercise, start in the seated position. Hold one end of the stick with one hand. Keep the other end of the stick on the floor on the outside of your foot. If you are stretching your right shoulder, start by pushing the stick with your right hand toward your right side. After reaching the end of your shoulder range, come back to the starting position. Repeat the movement for up to 10 repetitions. I hope today's exercises are helpful for you. If you have increased pain or have any difficulty with these exercises, please visit your local physical therapist or physiotherapist to find out whether you should be doing these exercises. It is also a good idea to ask your physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program for your shoulder injury.